Welcome to JH. I finally gave Whirl a shot, and I was immediately struck by how it didn't require a master's degree in engineering just to operate. Unlike those convenient products that end up being more complicated than a tax audit, this one is actually simple and practical. It saves me time, which is the only thing I value more than my morning coffee. The design is refreshingly straightforward, doing exactly what it's meant to do without making a mess or demanding extra effort. It's sturdy enough that I'm not constantly waiting for it to snap, which is a miracle considering most things today feel like they were built out of wet cardboard. This thing is surprisingly versatile too, handling everything from kitchen prep to storage and keeping leftovers from turning into unwanted science experiments. It holds up well and doesn't feel flimsy, which is a nice change of pace in a world full of disposable junk. It even helps keep my space looking organized and tidy, which is great for pretending I actually have my life together. It's one of those tools you don't realize you need until you try it, and suddenly you're reaching for it more often than your phone. Overall, Whirl is reliable, handy, and a rare addition to my routine that I don't actually regret.